How to recover Facebook deleted post on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can recover Facebook's deleted post on Android phones, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it doesn't matter whether you have an iOS or an Android because the Facebook app is pretty much the same on both. So you can open up the Facebook application here, and then after that simply come to your profile page. Now I will simply try to delete a photo right in front of you. By scrolling down, I'll select this one for example. I'll tap the three dots option, then I'll tap on move to bin, then I'll just tap the move button here to move this to bin. Now if I want to restore that, what I would have to do is to simply tap the three dots option here, then just go to this option that says activity log. After I do that, at the very top you'll find a button that says recycle bin, so you can tap on recycle bin option. Then there you'll find that particular post. So you can check all, or you can simply tap on this little option to select them one by one. Then at the bottom you'll find the button that says restore. So you can tap on restore option, then tap on restore to restore it again. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically restore your deleted photos or videos on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.